Now, next is the installation of the friction plate of the clutch. So it's important to install it correctly. Getriebseite this is the area that faces the transmission, okay? And you need to have a special tool. This is by BMW, so this is smooth. The one that came with the kit, with the clutch kit, is the usual plastic one. It fits a little bit better in the center bearing of the flywheel. So this is the part number for that tool from BMW. So the clutch installation starts with installing the friction plate, and there's a clutch alignment tool. It's either available from BMW or usually comes with the clutch itself, a complete clutch set itself. And then you have to use new bolts. These have pre-applied thread lock. And then the friction disc has to be installed. It can only be installed this way. It says Getriebseite, which is the transmission side of the clutch disc, and it has this elevated ring-like area, so it would not install correctly if you did it the other way around. Once that's done, you take the clutch assembly and you set it on the dowel pins. Oops. So this bolt has to come out. You set it on the dowel pins, so it will only go on one way. The larger holes on the clutch assembly are the holes for the dowel pins, and the smaller holes are for the bolts. So you have to pay attention what kind of bolts you have. So these are M8 grade 8.8 bolts, so they have to be tightened to 25 Newton meters. If you have the 10.8 grade bolts, then you have to tighten them at a higher torque. But make sure, so here it's 8.8, you can see it, and it's an M8 bolt. And then you just run these bolts down. So there are 6 new bolts you have to install. If you start at the bottom, it will make sure, it will ensure that the clutch won't fall out. So these are the M8 8.8 grade bolts, so they have to be tightened at 25 Newton meters. And of course, you have to lock the rotating assembly, so you either use the special tool here, or you can lock the engine from the crankshaft, from the harmonic balancer, and that's what I have. That's how it is locked here. So you tighten these bolts so the opposite way. So next one is removal of the locking element. So you need to use an M14 Allen key for that. And then, so basically the locking element is out, and then the clutch is ready to be used. So it's no longer, in a locked position. Then you can remove the alignment tool with the bolt, and that's it.